Now let's see if I want to add another constraint called not null. Okay, for example, now this is the second video of MySQL. If you haven't watched the first one, please watch the first and then come to this one. Don't directly start with this video. Okay, now suppose I want to set cost as not null. So what does it mean? That whenever a product, any shoe come, we have to fill the entry of code type, because both of these are primary keys, and we cannot leave cost as blank, or we cannot write null for that. We have to enter the amount. Okay, now the table is already been created, so we cannot do another thing, or we cannot create another table. So what we are going to use, we are going to use alter. Okay, we are going to use command called alter. Now the syntax for this command is write alter, then table, because we want to alter the table, name of the table, so name of the table is shoe, and then we write, actually because we are using the not null constraint, therefore we write the word here modify. So let's just highlight, okay, so we write the word modify, and after modify we write the name of the column where we are going to apply the constraint. So the name of column is cost. Okay, and after this, name of the constraint is not null with space. There was some okay, sorry, I forgot to write the data type over. So this is how error is generated, and when you see the error, see it is showing that corresponds to your MySQL server version for the right syntax to use near not null. तो इसमें ये आपको inform भी कर रहा है that not null के पास आपका incorrect syntax है. Okay, so actually after writing the cost, you have to specify the data type also. Okay, so the data type is decimal 6,2, the same data type which we have used here, and then enter. So this is being shown. Now to see with what the change is done, we are going to use this description shoe. Now you can see that the cost, now it is showing null in no in null column, right? So it is shown, okay, that null cannot be supported over here. Okay, now if I want to remove this constraint, now to remove this constraint, just write that same query over here, and what we have to do, we just have to remove this not from here. Okay, so the query becomes alter table shoe modify cost decimal null. So we are making it as okay, it is going to support null, and when you see the description, so it will show as yes. So basically the constraint is being removed. So this was the case for not null. If I want to add a primary key, now to add a primary key, you just simply write the word add over here. Okay, modify हम सिर्फ यूज करते हैं not null के लिए, बाकी हम यूज करेंगे constraint के लिए add word. अगर मुझे कोई दूसरी की add, suppose primary की अभी यहाँ पे हमारी created नहीं है, and if I want to create a primary key, so for that again same procedure is applied over here. You write add primary key, and in a bracket you will specify the primary key like char, and we have sorry, not char, code, name of the attribute field. So code and type. So this is how primary key will be created. Now we have already created this, so this query will not generate an output, but this is the way to write this. Okay, यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है आपका multiple primary key defined, because we have already defined these as primary key, so it's not showing anything. But this is the way actually. Now after doing this, if I want to remove a primary key, for that same code is written, and in place of add we write the word drop. Okay, we just write the word drop primary key. So using this, primary key can be dropped. Now drop means that it will delete this constraint. Okay, let's see the description. Now you can see that both the primary keys are removed. So this is how primary key can be added and removed. Then the next constraint is default. Default is basically, if I want, for example, the most common, if a store is selling the shoes, they know which was the most frequent selling shoe sizes. Okay, for example, it's size 5. Okay, now when they know that most of the time the shoe size is going, they are ordering is of 5, they can set the default setting as 5. So the person entering the data, he doesn't have to enter 5 again and again. If a different shoe size come, they can write like say 7, they can simply add 7. Otherwise, just leave the column, and by default 5 will be added in the size field. So for that, to adding that constraint, either we can simply add the constraint at the time of creating the table, but if it was not done at that time, then we can, by using the alter command, we can add this. So again we are going to use alter table. Next is write the name of the table. So it is shoe. Next we want to add the constraint. So add set default. Okay, now here we are going to use the word set. Okay, प्राइमरी की के साथ add यूज किया था, कॉस्ट में जब हम नॉट नल यूज कर रहे थे हमने मॉडिफाई यूज किया था, यहाँ पे हम यूज करेंगे डिफॉल्ट के साथ, हम यूज करते हैं सेट. तो अगेन वी राइट द वर्ड सेट एंड स्पेसिफाई करेंगे कौन से कॉलम को हम डिफॉल्ट सेट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज साइज. एंड आफ्टर दिस, बिकॉज वी आर राइटिंग दिस, हम डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू सेट कर रहे हैं, देयरफॉर हमें यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि वो डिफॉल्ट हम वैल्यू देना क्या चाह रहे हैं. सो इट इज ऑफ इंट टाइप, तो कोई नंबर ही होगा. सो वी विल राइट, सपोज हम 5 को कर रहे थे तो हम यहाँ पे 5 लिख देंगे. ओके, सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट एनी नंबर. सपोज हम कॉस्ट अगर डिफॉल्ट सेट कर रहे होते तो हम यहाँ पे कुछ डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू देते. सपोज आपके मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 1000 रुपीज के आ रहा है तो 1000.00 इस तरह से वी कैन राइट इट. ओके, सो आपका इस तरह से आप ऐड कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट इज if we want to check the description, now you can see that the default value here is 5. So this is how alter command is used. If you want to delete it, simply use the word drop and write the query. Next videos will be how to okay, there are one more thing, because we are initially creating the table. So if you want, you can just try these query. If I want to delete this whole table, then I use the term or command drop. This is also DDL command. Write drop table. Let's say I am removing this table, drop table shoe, and execute this. Now we have created many tables over here. If I check this, show tables, okay, now see, we have created one table called student initially, then we have created shoes, and then we have created shoe, but I have already dropped this table, okay, therefore the name is not over here. अब यहाँ से रिमूव हो गया. तो अगर मुझे कोई टेबल को यहाँ से completely डिलीट करना है, पूरा का पूरा टेबल ही डिलीट करना है, then I use the word drop. इसी तरह से हमने डेटाबेस बनाया है स्कूल नाम का. If I want to delete this database also, I can use the word drop database. No, I am not going to perform this, but drop database and write schools over here, and when I press the enter, आपका पूरा complete database delete हो जाएगा, including all these tables. So I am not performing this action over here. So ये हो गई आपकी DDL commands. Next video we will start with DML commands.